everybody, it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm back with another Stamparatus tip for you. Hey, today we're going to be talking about my favorite technique with the Stamparatus, and that is doing marker to stamp technique. And what I want to do, start by just placing my stamp, getting it all centered up, stuck, and then I can just give that a nice little back rub. It's stuck down. Now we're going to come in with two Stampin' Right markers. I like to start with my lightest color first, and you can see I'm using the side of the marker, not the tip. We don't want to mash down the tip. Now when I get right now, this part's going to be navy, so I'm going to just take it really nice and slow. I can now come in with the Night of Navy, and we'll color in this image. Again, we want to be very careful right here at the edge. You might even find it easier to take the Stamparatus off the hinge so you have a little more control. I'm now going to huff on this so that the moisture from my breath will kind of re-moisten that. And now we'll put it back on the hinge, make sure my cardstock is tucked in place, give that a nice little back rub. And look how lousy it looks, but we're just going to repeat it. Now, watch, I'm gonna I accidentally got up into an area that I didn't want. Not a problem, I'm gonna come in with my chamois. I can just wipe that off. Let me give it another try. I can now go over the navy again. We're gonna back in our Stamparatus, push it back in place. And are you ready? Look at that. Now we have a really nice, vivid image. That ink looks amazing. And then I did the exact same technique here for my sentiment down at the bottom. Guys, this is a great way to stamp flowers. You want your leaves green, but your flowers in a nice bright color. This little marker to stamp technique is wonderful. And let me tell you what, the Stamparatus is going to make those images just pop. I hope that you enjoyed today's tip, and I hope you're enjoying your Stamparatus. If you don't already have yours, be sure to head over to SimplySimpleStamping.com and you can order yours right there. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of the video today. Go get out those markers and let's get to stamping. Bye-bye.